Are you tired of your old TV box and looking for an upgrade? Look no further than the VONTAR X4 Smart TV Box. With its powerful Amlogic S905X4 quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 CPU and ARM Mali G31MP2 GPU, this TV box is ready to take your entertainment to the next level. Running on Android 11.0, this TV box comes in 3 variations: 4GB plus 32GB, 4GB plus 64GB, and 4GB plus 128GB, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or using it for work, the VONTAR X4 can handle it all with ease. With support for AV1, H.265, 8K video, and 4K at 60 FPS, you'll experience crystal clear picture quality like never before. And with Gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.0, you'll have a strong and stable connection to all your favorite devices. But that's not all. The VONTAR X4 also comes with customizable UI, wireless upgrade capabilities, and support for multiple video and audio formats. Plus, it's easy to set up and comes with everything you need, including a remote control, power supply, and HD cable. So why settle for less when you can upgrade to the VONTAR X4 Smart TV Box? Don't miss out on this incredible offer and take your entertainment to the next level today. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the VONTAR X4 Smart TV Box now.